What's up, everybody? It's your boy, BigLockDaddy. I believe Zeroy is here tonight. So, I'm taking a walk over to the pits. Let's see what I can see. Oh, I think so. Adamlz's here. Very good. Yeah, that actually happened. Photobombed by Zeroy the Great. And I'll have more on AdamlZ and Zeroy later on in this video. But right now, I took my charger out with all the new mods. I put a dual exhaust in. I retuned the power tune performance chip. And it was cold. Really cold at the track, about 50 degrees. But you can see here the staging lanes are full and we're ready to go racing. Here at Test and Tune tonight.
Wow, look at the truck.
At orlandospeedworld.
671, 60 foot.
We are in the staging lanes, getting ready to rock and roar.
Faster than top fuel.
I think.
Nobody caught that? Nobody else got that?
I'm hoping.
Ford versus Dodge. Doing battles here. Always like to see the Ford versus Dodge battle.
So yeah, we're gonna get ready for this to rock and roll. Let's do it. Let's do it. I think this Civic ran once already. So we'll see. We got the new mods in. We've got the stock airbox back on the block. So we can hope, y'all. We'll see what we're going to turn for a time.
They got mozzarella cheese sticks over there in the concession stand.
Mozzarella cheese sticks.
I just got some, so now I'm pretty certain everybody's going to start rushing over there. Just wait a minute. I have to go there and get myself some first, so don't everybody bombard the Quarter Mile Cafe right there. Take a few minutes, look over the menu, let me get my order in.
Yeah, baby.
Your favorite artist.
Your mix, 105.1.
So I ran a 1643 at 8156. Lots of room for improvement. So here we go, race 2, baby. Race 2. Not quite sure how I'm going to race it just yet, but we'll see. I think I'm just going to stay in it. Smoked me. He smoked me. I knew it was gonna happen. I knew it was gonna happen. Fudge noodle. Let me get a hard right. out to see how that one was. A 1607 at 86.29. I am pumped right now. That's my best time ever. Come on, baby. Oh, no, Monica. Damn, I thought I was going to have... You must have missed a gear or something. I thought I was going to have him. Oh, can I do it again? If I'd have had a better start, I might have. He ran away from me in the end, though. Might be my fastest run of the night. I don't know. We'll see. Not too shabby. I ran a 16:19 at 86.26. Let's see what I do next. Yeah, I never had him. I mean, it started out well enough, and you could see I had a lead on him for a little bit, but he just had way too much on the top end. So, a 16:13 at 86.09, I'll take that for the final race of the night. And as you can see here, these are my 4 slips for the night, and they aren't too bad. A new personal best for me in the car altogether. It was a lot of fun just taking the car to the track, and if you have never done it, I suggest you do it. It doesn't matter if it's your street car, if you built a car, whatever you're going to do with it, just go out and have a lot of fun. That's what I like to do, and I'm going to keep going to the track, so I look forward to seeing you out there, and maybe we'll load them up and make a few hits. Which brings me to my next point. Zeroy was at the track this evening, and I went on a mission to find him. I believe Zeroy is here tonight. So, I'm taking a walk over to the pits. See what I can see. Oh, I think so. adamlz's here. Very good. That's nice. That's a sweet ride. Nice job, LZ. As I was in the staging lanes waiting to run my next race, I had to run over and get a picture with Zeroy. Adam was up near the front of the staging lanes, and there's more on that after this run, which was Zeroy's only run of the night. coolest part of the night, which I didn't even get on camera, was the fact that I got to meet adamlz. And we had a nice little conversation. And I'm glad I didn't get it on camera because I had major fanboy issues going on in my corner. Hey, it happens sometimes, you know. I had that deer caught in the headlights look going on. But to Adam's credit, he was a total pro. He was gracious enough to give me a few minutes of his time. We had a nice little chat, too. We talked about the differential problems he's been having in Zeroy, how it kind of let go on him in third gear, and he started to get a little sideways down the track. And it was an amazing run regardless, an 11.5, and he wasn't even on it all the way. He's shooting for the 10s, and I have no doubt that he's going to get there once, you know, they work everything out with that car. But it was an absolutely amazing conversation. I wasn't prepared for this, but he asked me about my car. So I kind of had that, I got a V6 Charger. It's I'm trying to run a 15. And, hey, you know, that's the cool thing about racing and racers. We all have to start somewhere, and you can see in his face that he totally understood that. So, Adam, if you're watching, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate how gracious you were in answering my questions, and I hope to see you out at the track again. Now, as far as my own car goes, the plans for the future, well, it's very, very simple. My next mod, I'm hoping to get a ported throttle body. More air, more fuel, more spark. That's what's going to make my car faster. So I'm really looking forward to doing that. There's a company out there. I'll go through it in the next video where I'm looking to buy. So stick around. And, hey, if you like this channel, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm BigLockDaddy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.